Hey Homewood, this is Elwin. I am at 7330 Mount Vernon, and I'm here with Jerome Jackson, the Executive Director of Operation Better Block. Operation Better Block has acquired 7330 Mount Vernon and has done a total rehab, and now they're offering the house for sale. So we are about to do a walkthrough preview. There's going to be an open house this Saturday. And what time is the open house?
From 11 to 3.
From 11 to 3, okay. And this is obviously Mr. Jackson.
Jerome Jackson, Executive Director of Operation Better Block.
Okay, so from 11 to 3 on Saturday, April 15th, is the open house. And so we're just giving you a short preview here. On the first floor, we have
Open space, both for dining and living room area, and then your kitchen space. So your kitchen, dining, living room area. Your back out to your deck. We can look at that later, I think.
okay. And we'll point out that the place does come with brand new appliances. Okay, we have a gas stove here, microwave above, and brand new refrigerator. Granite countertops? Yep, okay. For those of you who are into, granite countertops. That's kind of a big thing for some folks. All right, so first floor, pretty simple,
Pretty simple.
very
We
open.
are trying to sell this house to someone who has an income of one person. If it was a one person between the income of $24,000 and $30,000 a year income, and then as the family size increases, the amount in the AMI, the area medium income amount increases. But we are looking to sell to someone between 50% and 61% of the area medium income.
Okay,
So we're looking for a low to moderate income home buyer.
all right. So now we're gonna head up.
First floor, so let's head upstairs. This is a 3-bedroom, 2 full baths. Here at the top of the steps, you go either way into a room and into a room behind me, and then your bathroom is off
All right,
to your left.
so we'll start over to the right.
This is one of the smaller rooms.
Okay, we'll call this bedroom number 3.
Yes, that is what it is.
Okay,
Bedroom number 2.
and
And then this one would be considered the master bedroom. For bedroom 1.
okay, and this will be the bath.
Bathroom.
And like most of our homes in North Homewood, we have a third floor.
And so what we try to do at Operation Better Block, because of the large homes and the third floor, is we try to make it into a guest suite or a suite where they can rent out. So on the third floor is like a suite. So you'll find just a bedroom and a bath, full bathroom, and a full-size closet. So we call this the third floor suite. This is kind of a signature of Operation Better Block's design in our development designs. So we make this a big room for you. Give you big closet space. In here, you can have a guest, or it could be just a suite, a guest suite, or like as I said, you can rent it out.
Get some Airbnb action going.
Get some Airbnb action because it has its own full bathroom, which is actually so much bigger than the bathroom downstairs, right? So
Indeed, it is.
right. And then so the one downstairs had the tub and shower combination.
Right.
This just has a just has a shower.
Okay. But this is a full-sized room actually that's just been converted
Yeah,
into
what
a
we took
bath.
was the other side.
Right.
So the room like the one we just saw and just converted into the bathroom.
Right. Okay. Well, that's. Now, I'm looking at this and thinking, if it were me, I might be tempted to just make this.
Your space.
Right. And let this be the master bedroom.
Yeah, and some that we have sold. The one young lady was like, "Oh, I'm moving to the third floor," and then everybody else could just be on my guest, and everybody else could be on the second. Because the first one we did had 3 rooms on the third floor, so we made a huge room, a huge walk-in closet,
Okay.
a nice big bathroom almost the size of that one.
Wow.
So she was like, "Yeah, that's like living in an apartment in my house. I'm good." So.
Okay. All right. So, are you working with a specific lender or lenders to help people get financing?
We have been working with First Commonwealth, who has been our partner on this project. So, so they will be here as the lender on Saturday to take any applications, walk people through the process, the loan process, or whatever.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. All right. I think that will do it for now, unless we decide to take a look at the backyard.
Well, we can go and take a look at because it has a deck.
Oh,
It has a
okay.
deck in the back.
Well, let's check out the deck.
Let me make sure I get all these lights up.
Okay.
Backyard porch, so it's kind of like it's on a hill, but the backyard does have a deck. So they did a nice deck.
Okay. All right.
Central air.
Okay.
They'll be responsible for doing whatever they want with the backyard. But like most of these houses came with a garage, that we had to tear that down.
Okay. All right. Do you know anything at all of the story of whatever that is over there?
I do not.
Okay. We'll figure that out later. Okay.
So you need to build.
So this is the deck.
Oh, somebody tried to make a carriage house behind their house. That's what that looks like. Doesn't it? She has the garage doors at the bottom and then like an apartment housing on the top. So somebody put an addition on their garage.
Okay. Interesting.
Yeah.
In any case, this is 7330 Mount Vernon. And again, the open house is Saturday, the 15th from 11 to 3.
Yep.
So everyone is invited out. Come take a look.
And then we'll take a look and see our work.
And come see
See
the.
what our future homes will look like as we continue to do more.
All right. Good deal. Thank you, sir.